Hi, this is Cheryl with ExpertVillage.com. Today we're talking about mounting a photo or a poster. Now, as you can see, I'm holding two pictures. This one we have not mounted yet, and this one has been mounted. And this picture, there's some differences between smaller and larger pictures. For instance, before we actually mounted this poster, normally the poster will come in a rolled up version kind of like this brown paper. It'll be rolled up. Now, you cannot mount your picture until you have a fairly flat poster. So you have to roll it out and make it fairly flat so it's not all curling. It's going to be a lot harder to do. And that may take a few days ahead of time of just being able to put it between books or put something very carefully underneath it and over the top of it and make sure that it's flat so that the picture does not roll when you get ready to mount it.